Hey, what's up guys, it's Faisal here and welcome back to Driving Site, where I bring you the latest updates and tips on road safety awareness every week, just like this one. Are you aware about the loophole of filming and taking pictures while driving using a mobile phone is about to be closed? And when can you use handheld mobile phone and the consequences of using it? So it's all coming up. Hey, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on the future content. Now, using handheld mobile phone while driving is illegal, and it's also illegal if you are supervising a learner driver. So please be careful. If you are teaching someone how to drive, don't use your mobile phone. Now, mobile phone laws were first introduced in 2003 with only £30 fine. And then in 2007 it changed to £60 fine and 3 points on the driving license. And then from 2013 it became 3 points and £100 fine. And things were escalating. The problem with drivers using mobile phones were causing a lot of problems. So in 2017, as you know, or if you didn't know, it's now doubled. So you get 6 points on your driving license and minimum £200 fine. Okay, so please don't use your mobile phone using a handheld mobile phone while you're driving. Now, you are allowed to use a hands-free mobile phone if it's fully fitted in your car, or you got a hands-free mobile phone, you are allowed to use them. Now, you're not allowed to touch your mobile phone and communicate with that. Use the mobile phone with just hands-free conversation. But remember that police still have the powers to prosecute drivers. If they believe that you have been distracted while you was using mobile phones, they can still prosecute you for driving without due care and attention. So do take care when you're using a hands-free mobile phone. Now, when can you use a handheld mobile phone? The law is very clear when it comes to handheld mobile phone. Okay. Now, if you are making a genuine emergency call, so you're dialing 999 or 112, you are legally allowed to make a phone call using these numbers, but only if it's not safe to come to a stop. That's when you can actually use a handheld mobile phone. Now, if you want to make a handheld mobile phone, the best thing to do is pull up in a safe in a legal place and make sure you turn your engine off, and then you can make a handheld mobile phone. But remember, this does not include you stopping in a traffic queue or sitting at a traffic light. This is where things are getting really high, because drivers think they're okay, they stopped at a traffic light. No, you are not allowed to make any handheld mobile phone, text or look at your phone while you are sitting at the red light, because you're still in control of that vehicle. So please make sure you stop in a safe and a legal place. Now, avoid getting points and fines, because you know, think about it, it's your driving license. But the worst case scenario is that you know, everyday drivers are actually having accidents and it's causing problem. People are getting seriously injured and dying out there on our road. In 2017 we've had 431 people injured using mobile phones. 308 of them were minor injuries and 90 people were seriously injured, and we've lost 33 people. So 33 people have died using mobile phones. So please do take care. You know, don't use a handheld mobile phone because it's distraction. Hands-free mobile phone equally can distract you as well. If you can avoid it, avoid it. But if you do need to make a hands-free mobile phone, make sure you do it safely and not get yourself distracted. Now, I've got a question for you. Now, did you know that learner drivers who pass their driving test, they can only get 6 points on their driving license? Did you know that? And if you didn't know, please comment down below. And what sort of offense do they need to carry out to lose their driving license? Because learner drivers will, you know, within the first 2 years, if they get 6 points, their license is revoked, which means they have to do another theory test and practical test all over again. So please comment down below, and if you got some value out of this video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And if you already have subscribed to my channel, thank you very much for that. I really appreciate that. And use the road safely. Until next week, bye for now.